On September 5th, 2025, the internet exploded with one shocking headline. MrBeast bought the NFL. Within hours, the story spread across social media, news sites, and YouTube videos. Millions of people believed it, but it was never real. What actually happened was one of the most clever marketing stunts in modern sports, and it shows us exactly how traditional giants, like the NFL, are teaming up with creators to capture attention in a new era.
Let's go.
Days before the Chargers faced the Chiefs, a video appeared online. In it, Jimmy Donaldson, better known as MrBeast, stood next to NFL Commissioner Roger Goodell and confidently announced that he owned the NFL. The statement was bold, clear, and believable enough to send shockwaves through the internet. After all, MrBeast has given away millions of dollars, built one of the largest YouTube empires, and is often rumored to be heading toward billionaire status. If anyone could buy into the NFL, many thought it would be him. But the reality was very different. This was not a billion-dollar deal. It was a promotional campaign. The announcement was part of a collaboration between YouTube and the NFL, designed to build hype around YouTube's exclusive live broadcast of the Chargers versus Chiefs game. The so-called purchase was nothing more than a scripted stunt to drive attention, and it worked. The internet took the bait. Headlines ran with it. Fans debated it. And within hours, millions were talking about both MrBeast and the NFL. This wasn't an accident, it was strategy. The NFL has long struggled with one major challenge: attracting younger audiences. Television ratings remain strong, but Gen Z and younger millennials spend less time watching cable and more time online. By teaming up with MrBeast, the league gained instant access to hundreds of millions of digital native fans. Suddenly, the NFL wasn't just a sports league, it was part of the internet's biggest conversation. The average NFL team is valued at more than $5 billion. A real purchase by MrBeast would have required an unimaginable fortune, but the cost of this campaign, a fraction of that. Yet it generated global headlines. Millions tuned into the YouTube stream, and the NFL got exactly what it wanted: attention from a younger generation who might otherwise ignore traditional broadcasts. The stunt worked because it blurred the line between reality and entertainment. MrBeast has built his brand on doing the impossible, buying islands, giving away private jets, and handing out millions in cash. So when he said he bought the NFL, people didn't laugh it off. They believed it, at least for a moment. That belief was enough to spread the story, and that story was enough to bring millions of new eyes to the NFL's broadcast. This campaign proved something important. In today's world, attention is more valuable than almost anything else. The NFL, a multi-billion-dollar organization, realized it needed the kind of attention that creators like MrBeast can generate. And MrBeast, already at the top of YouTube, proved that his influence extends far beyond the internet. Together, they created a stunt that captured both worlds. Finally, MrBeast didn't buy the NFL. He and the league showed us how marketing is changing, from traditional ads to viral campaigns, from television to streaming, from corporate voices to creators with global influence. It wasn't ownership, it was strategy. And in 2025, it may go down as one of the smartest marketing plays of the year.